Hey everyone, Chris with the Kentucky Woodsman channel. Now that we have our sugar shack pretty much built, it's time to start looking into the wiring and some lighting that we're going to put in there. Well, I got contacted by this company right here, Onforu, I think is how you pronounce it, and they offered me a really nice LED wall lamp to install on the outside of the building, outside of the sugar shack. So this is the kit. Comes with all your instruction manual, your safety directions, all the hardware you will need, and of course the light. And let me tell you, this light is impressive. It's very heavy duty. This case is made very sturdy. Looks like it's sealed up well. And I'm sure with all them LEDs, it's going to be very bright. Should be the perfect addition to the outside of the sugar shack for lighting up the entrance and everything. So join me now as we go out to the sugar shack and start wiring this thing in. So looking at our instructions here, we need to make sure all of our parts are here, which I've done. They're all there. The very first step in the process of installing this light, if you go to the back here, we need to install this plate with that gasket. And then we'll pull our wires through one of these accesses right here. So let's go do that right now. So obviously the very first thing we need to do is we need to make sure there's no power on this. I've already verified that the other end is disconnected from the power, so we are good to go. Always make sure there's no power. Never wire anything hot. Okay, we've got the screws started. I'll just run them in. Like so. All right, there's that. Okay, as you can see, I've got the gasket installed here. And if you look at the back of the light, this is side up, so that's good. First thing I like to do is connect my grounds. I'm sure I'm doing this differently than somebody else might do it. As long as the ground's hooked up, that's better than no ground. So we wire our white to our white, neutral to neutral. Put our wire nut on there. And twist it tight. We do the same thing with the black. Your hot to your hot, or black to black, however you want to look at it. Make sure our wire nut is tight. So as you can see, it's a nice, neat, clean setup. I'll be anxious for it to get dark so we can turn them on and let you see what they look like and how bright they are. Okay, it's nighttime now, so I'm going to show you what this light looks like in the dark. This is what you see without the light. And if you'll give me just a second, I'll turn the light on and we'll take a look at it then. Here is with the LED wall light, wall mount. Once you look at that, really does an awesome job. couldn't be happier. Want to thank Onforu for sending me this light to check out. Very pleased with it. If you're interested in one of these lights, there'll be a link in the comments below where you can find one for yourself. Check that out. Man, that's bright. Tickled to death. We'll see you on down the trail, folks.